What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing 2 new scents from American Dude Beard Co. Let's get started. Alright, shout out to Tarik for sending me these products to check out. Check out my previous American Dude Co. unboxing, as well as my full review and my live streams with Tarik, the owner of American Dude Beard Co. So he sent me these 2 oils to check out. Excited to check them out. I already know the blend is going to be solid. Excited to see what these scents are like. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so in this video I'm going to be discussing some company info about American Dude Beard Co., the products available, the scents that I got, and the ingredients for the beard oil, because that's what I'll be unboxing, is 2 beard oils. And then I'll unbox them, discuss my thoughts on these scents, yeah, and then wrap up this video. Alright, so American Dude Co. is based in California. The owner's named Tarik, and it's a patriotic American themed beard company. All products are handmade in the USA with USA ingredients. Small batch products, essential and fragrance oils are used for the scent. Natural premium ingredients, and they have black label, gray label, and white label scents. I'll explain those right now. So black label scents are just essential oils for scent. The white label has fragrance oils for scent, and then gray label is the unscented, or 1776 is the name. Next, let's talk about the products available. Alright, so American Dude Beard Co. sells beard oil in 1 ounce for $17 US or 2 ounce for $22 US. The True 15 non-affiliate code saves 15%, and the beard butter is either 2 ounce for $20 or 4 ounce for $25. The nourishing beard balm is 2 ounces, $20, and the styling beard balm, which is only available in unscented, 1776, also $20. That's a bit more of a firm hold. Yeah, and the nourishing beard balm is closer to beard butter, but with a little bit more hold than beard butter. And they also have a sample kit, which is 7 0.17 ounce bottles. As well as gift cards at $10, $25, $50, or $100. Alright, and then next to talk about the 2 scents that Tarik sent me to check out. Alright, so these are 2 new scents from American Dude Beard Co. that just dropped recently. So the first one is Black, which is sweet blackberry and warm amber, balanced out with a hint of fresh cypress and tangy lemon wrapped in the prantal scent of musk. And then the second one is Million Bucks, which is lavendin, also known as the man's lavender, musk, amber, and oak moss combined with a tad of bergamot and a pinch of peppermint. And it's rounded out with green tea. It's a unique take on a barbershop scent, which I'm definitely excited to try because I do love barbershop scents. Next, let's talk about the ingredients in the beard oil. Alright, so the ingredients in the beard oil are virgin argan oil, virgin black cumin seed oil, organic sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, kukui nut oil, organic fractionated coconut oil, meadow foam seed oil, marula oil, organic evening primrose oil, virgin moringa oil, and acai berry oil. Next, let's unbox these products. I was saying to Tarik before I shot this video, I think this is the most perfectly preserved box that's made it through USPS in the history of at least my experience. But you got American Dude Company logo on both sides. Yeah, excited to check these out. Let's unbox them. And then Tarik also mentioned that he sent something extra in addition to the 2 oils, so excited to see what that is. Because he didn't say. Got the note there with the seal. Really awesome unboxing presentation from American Dude Beard Co. Try not to wreck the seal. There we go. Cool. That's just the info of stuff that I got shipped. And then a little info card, the note. I got these new scents out to you, threw in the other 3 scents from the white label. Oh, no way. Looking forward to the unboxing. In your opinion, take care, brother Tarik. Other 3 scents from the white label line. So we got more scents here. No way. Yeah, thank you. The American Dude Co. logo, which is one of my favorites. Among the beard companies, got the comb and the rifle there. So we got a bunch of things here. Oh man. Oh, let's go. Alright, so we got Rupert. We'll get the scents for these after, because I didn't know these were coming, so gotta find the scent profiles after. Yeah, so that's 1. Oh, shout out to Tarik, man. That's awesome. American Az. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh, this is great. Then we've got Pheromone. Hell yeah. 1 ounce bottles. We got another layer. I'm gonna have to rearrange my beard shelf to make room for all these. Nothing buried in there. We're good. And then we've got 2 new scents, Black Slick labels, by the way. Definitely pretty nice. And then $1,000,000. So those are the two new ones. Yeah, so we have 5 scents here to check out. Let's talk about these next. Alrighty, let's talk about these scents. Alrighty, so the first one is American As, which is crisp green apples, a hint of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, steeped on a soft bed of vanilla. This sounds pretty nice. I'm expecting the cinnamon won't be too significant because I have had other cinnamon scents in the past that temporarily didn't react super well with my skin, but hopefully this isn't one of those. I don't think it is because I'm pretty sure Tarik and I have talked about how much is in it, if I remember this correct. Yeah, let's check this out. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Reminds me of Christmas. I like them with the apple in there as well, with the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the vanilla. Oh, that's nice. Incredible. Alright, and then the next one, we got Black, which is, like I said, sweet blackberry, warm amber, balanced out with a hint of fresh cypress and tangy lemon, wrapped in the primal scent of musk. Alright, let's give this one a shake. Ooh. It's like sweet, but kind of not dark, but whoa. That blackberry I definitely noticed right off the bat. Yeah, I get the cypress with a little woodsy bit. That's going to be awesome in beer. Oh man. Very, very nice. And then the next one is $1,000,000. Second new scent in the white label lineup. Give this one a shake. And like I said, this is lavender, musk, amber, and oak moss, combined with a tad of bergamot and a touch of peppermint, with some green tea in the end. Ooh. Yeah, I feel like I pick up the green tea. That lavender, kind of like lavender, but not quite as floral. Oh, that's nice. All right, and then. Ooh. Pheromone is coffee and vanilla combined with the clean and fresh aroma of grapefruit and lime, finished off with the subtle notes of spice and pepper of turmeric. It's called Pheromone for a reason, what the description says. It's got coffee, so I definitely love a good coffee scent. I haven't tried a new coffee scent in a while too, so this is exciting. Huh. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, it's like you get the coffee and vanilla initially, but then the grapefruit and the lime kind of sneak up in there behind you. That's nice. Oh man. And then next is Rupert, which is coconut, pineapple, amber, musk, and a dash of frankincense. These are all going to be incredible in beard. I'm so excited. Shout out to Tarik for including all these extras. I didn't know he was doing this. Super, super awesome. Yeah, so coconut, pineapple, amber, musk, and a dash of frankincense. Definitely get the pineapple. The coconut, I would say. Amber too, probably is up there. Oh man, these are all incredible so far. Man, it looks like I got 5 days in a row at least of rocking American Dude Beard Co. So awesome. But yeah, that's the scents that Tarik sent out. So one more time, joining my trio of gunpowder, oil, butter, and balm is American As. It's crisp green apples, cinnamon, dash of nutmeg, steeped on a soft bed of vanilla, and then Black, which is the first of the 2 new scents that American Dude Co. just launched recently. Sweet blackberry and warm amber balanced out with a hint of fresh cypress and tangy lemon, wrapped in the primal scent of musk. Yeah, and then $1,000,000 is lavender, musk, amber, and oak moss combined with a tad of bergamot and a pinch of peppermint. This amazing take on barbershop scents is rounded out with green tea. And then next is Pheromone, which is coffee and vanilla combined with the clean, fresh aroma of grapefruit and lime, all finished with the subtle notes of spice and pepper of turmeric. And then Rupert is coconut, pineapple, amber, musk, and a dash of frankincense. Yeah, so killer scents. I'm excited to get these in beard. I already know the feel in beard is going to be great. Check out my review on American Dude Beard Co. below if you haven't already, where I talk about the oil, the butter, and the balm. All great stuff. Definitely recommend you check it out. Use non-affiliate code TRUE15 to save 15%. Yeah, watch out for something cool coming from American Dude Co. with maybe some input from myself later on this year. It's gonna be epic. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Let me know if you've tried American Dude Beard Co. down below. Yeah, check them out. Check their website. Check their Instagram. Have all that linked down below. Yeah, and then check out my previous content with American Dude Beard Co. My live streams with Tarik, unboxing, review. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.